Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another Sunday flea market haul. Today's going to be a real quick one. I picked up 2 toolboxes for $20. Let's see what's in them. Let's go. Alrighty guys, I am ready to jump into this one. Hope you guys are. I picked up this JC Penney's box for 10 bucks. Normally I wouldn't pick up just toolboxes, but I know that my buddy Mr. Dale likes JC Penney, so I picked this up for him. Looks like some sort of holding straps on there. There's a tray. I don't know if that belongs in there. This kind of looks like a Craftsman tray. Doesn't say anything on it. Do the Craftsman trays usually say Craftsman on them? I'm not quite sure. Anyway, it's full of nastiness, just dust, dirt, debris. A couple of little things in here. Hunk of rubber. Phillips. It looks like somebody made dividers in them. Thought that was something back there. It looks like somebody used a little bit of angle iron and riveted some little dividers in there. That's pretty cool. But yeah, 10 bucks. Couldn't pass it up, right? Hopefully Mr. Dale likes it. I don't think he has a JC Penney's toolbox, so I'll have to get up with him, see if he wants it. Dale, if you're watching, if you want it, let me know, bud. That's pretty cool, though. Never seen one before. Let's get this out of the way. Then we got us the Craftsman crown logo. Box is in pretty good shape. This box has a whole bunch of stuff in there. Again, this was 10 bucks. I think the guy was just trying to get rid of stuff. There is a whole lot of stuff in here. How do we want to do this? Maybe, let's just go through it. Can you guys see all right? Got a little thing of sockets. Oh, can't get them out of there. Taiwan. Put a little set of sockets. Got a mirror. It's always handy. It only telescopes out that far, but that's still pretty handy. More. M-O-O-R-E. I don't know if that's who owned this or... Pretty cool, nonetheless. Ooh. Where is my magnifier? Got us a little tape measure. Mechanics Pal, made in the USA. 6 foot. Oh, it's not in very good shape. Well, it only comes out that far. Oh well. It'll still clean up nice, I guess. A pen. Every time I get a toolbox, there's a pen in there and it never works. Let's see, we got us a Jador 19 and 17 mil. A little screwdriver. Hey, some more Phillips bits. Probably just came in one of those little kits or whatever, but hey, I'll take it. Let me make a keep pile. I'm gonna, excuse me, put my keep pile over here. So I'm gonna keep the mirror. I'm gonna keep the little tape measure that doesn't work. I'll keep the Phillips bits. This stuff over here, I'm just not gonna keep. Electrical tape. Do I really need it? Is it actually good? Yeah, I guess it's good. Quarter roll of electrical tape. 30-pound picture hangers. There's one of them in there. Not gonna hang on to that. Got an ice pick or a scratch all. It's got a pretty cool handle on it. Oh. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to read anything on that. Yeah, I'll keep it. Wooden handled nut drive. What's it? Oh, number 470 Bridgeport. Well, that's nice. I don't find Bridgeport stuff too often. A pair of rusted up needle nose pliers. I'm not going to hang on to those. Staples. Hey, Mercedes-Benz 11-13 millimeter Matador, made in Germany. I'll hang on to that. That'll go into my foreign collection. I thought that was a proto screwdriver. It's not. Taiwan. This looks like a Bell Systems. It doesn't say. I don't see any writing on there. No writing at all. Probably foreign. Broken pencil. I swear that looks like a Champion screwdriver. I can't tell if it's got the double ferrule or not. It's so rusted up. Give me a second, I'm going to wire wheel this. This is indeed a Champion screwdriver. Holy crap. Alright, well I'm going to save that. What is this? Jador? Yep, Jador 12-13. China. What's this little guy? Oh, yeah, I can't read anything on there. Just looks like a little generic wood-handled screwdriver. It's got some sort. Let me take it to the wire wheel. All right, let's see what that says. Non-twist. I don't know. Never heard of it. Non-twist. I'll hang on to it. I'll ask a couple of people if they've ever heard of it. An incomplete socket set. Not going to hang on to that. What's this? Another Jador. This is 11-10 millimeter. Am I working on a set here? Pretty close. Well, if I get a whole set of those, I'll keep them. We got as a paddle bit, broken drill bit. No name screwdriver. Central Forge screwdriver set. Guess that fell out of it. Yeah. Not that I need these or nothing, but What the hell? I'll hang on to them. What do we got here? A Billings. 9/16 and ½ inch. Well, it's American made. I'll hang on to it. What's this? Another Mercedes. 19 and 17. Hayco. West Germany. Is that the other one? Alright. Alright. I don't know what this is. There's a quarter on there. What's the year to quarter? 1978. Somebody drilled a hole through it. And it's on some sort of advertising piece here. I don't know really what it is, but for reservations call, sales building, budget pack. Budget rent a car. Oh, Jesus. That's pretty cool that somebody drilled a hole in a quarter down and put it on there. I'll hang on to it. Got some sockets. I'll look at these. I don't know what all this stuff is. Some zip strings. Some dirt. So let me look at this and see if Craftsman's written on this. No. So did Craftsman just not put anything on their little trays? That looks like it definitely should be in there. What do we got here? No name. What are these? Jador. Little wrench for something. Little stamp steel. 3 little wrenches. No sizes on them. Stamp steel. Well, we got some sockets here. Hey, 5/8 New Britain. 3/8 drive. Another New Britain, 3/8. Well, this is looking up. Oh, we got us another New Britain. This is 5/16. Another New Britain. This had somebody's name engraved on it up top. It says Bishop. This is another 5/8. What's this one? New Britain. Another 5/8. And what is this one? New Britain. 9/16. All 12 point. All 3/8 inch. Well, I'll hang on to those. Get this tray out of the way. Give me a minute. We got a bunch of stuff down in here, and I need to get a drink real quick, so I will be right back. Alright guys, I do apologize about that. This new medicine the doctors got me on give me absolutely insane dry mouth. A rusty socket rail. Don't need that. Some hardware. Looks like some nuts. I'll throw it in my hardware bag. No name pair of slip joints. Oop, got us another pair of slip joints. China. Got a funky, oh, it's an Exolite. But this thing's about shot. Tip's gone, snapped off, all rusted up. That's a wounded soldier. Socket. 11 millimeter. It's so cheap it doesn't even have a country on it. Probably foreign. I have no idea. A green handled screwdriver. Globe Master. That's quality. A funky wrench. There's numbers on it. I can't read any of it. Yeah, can't read any of it. Looks like it says number 203. I don't know. What do we got here? Hayco, Germany. Another Mercedes. What's that? 17, 14. 13, 11. 19, 17. We're working on a set here, guys. Well, I don't see any more. Got a pipe wrench with a brass handle. Looks like somebody put some brass tubing on there. And it's bent all to get out, so probably not going to hang on to this. 10-inch pipe wrench. I got a little bit holder, a chisel, Taiwan, just a bit. Ooh, we might have as a, I don't know. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. No name, no country, no nothing. I don't know. Got a light socket. Couple of washers. What is this? Forged in the USA, 11/16 and 5/8. That's it. Uh-oh. What is this? Starter wrench, manifold wrench, 1/2 inch 9/16. Get out of here. Number, all right, H3210A. Wizard. That's the best thing in the whole toolbox. That's absolutely awesome. I'll save that for Big Vic. Got us a Buck Brothers hacksaw blade. A bunch of funky stuff here at the bottom. Just loose stuff. Wire nuts. A couple of drill bits. Some washers. An Allen Kay nut drive. A couple of Phillips bits. I don't really need any of that stuff either. What's this? Sears Craftsman. 25654, number 2, made in USA. All right, I'll take that. I don't think these are supposed to be in here, so I think it's missing something. I don't know. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17 bits, a couple of different drives, nut drives. What are these? I have no idea what the hell they are. Well, that's probably the best thing in there. Between the starter wrench, manifold wrench, wizard, and this Craftsman set. The rest of the stuff that's in here is just pretty much garbage. It's zip strings, trash, washer. Oh, what's that? It's a magnet. I don't know what it does. Huh. It's kind of like a switch. Stanley, USA. What the hell was that for? I'll have to do a Google image search on that. It's definitely magnetic. I just don't know what it does. Not sure. Yeah, I'll do an image search on this to figure out what that is. That's interesting. And that's it. Just a bunch of sand and funk. I don't think we did too bad. Let me get well, this is the stuff that I'm gonna keep. If you guys can see that little pile there, and well, that's the stuff I'm not gonna keep. Was it worth the $20? Yeah, absolutely. It was worth the $20. Just for the toolboxes alone, I think. I'll wind up hanging on to this Craftsman box. Give it to somebody who I know collects Craftsman. Like I said, the JC Penney's box, I picked that up for Mr. Dale. So hopefully he doesn't have that box and he'll like it. And yeah, I got a little bit of stuff out of here. Not the best stuff. Normally stuff that I wouldn't pick up at all, but well, I'd pick that screwdriver up. That's pretty cool. And that was awesome finding the Champion in there. I'll wind up shipping that out. The ice pick or scratch all, whatever this is, I'll wind up hanging on to that. Yeah. Not bad. Alrighty guys, well we are all done with this one. We didn't do too bad for $20. $10 a toolbox, you can't beat that. We did come home with some treasures that were in that Craftsman box. I think the best things in there was the little Craftsman bit set and this wizard wrench. But there's some pretty cool screwdrivers in there. Of course, the New Britain sockets. That was pretty awesome. I still haven't done a search to figure out what that thing is, but I will do that after this video. Yeah, not too bad. We did wind up with a whole pile of stuff that we don't need, so, and most of that's junk, but hey, I guess that's what you get, you know? That's it for this one, guys. Like always, stay safe, be safe, and we will see you next week with another. Bye.